Привіт-привіт! My name is Ina and welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. In today's video lesson we're going to learn together top 25 common Ukrainian phrases that every beginner must know. But before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and leave your comments below. So guys, the first expression that we're going to learn with you is гаразд. Гаразд means okay, deal. Of course you can say ok, okay in Ukrainian language, but the truly Ukrainian expression is гаразд. Гаразд. The next one is пішли, means let's go. Пішли. Also you can say поїхали, поїхали. But there is a difference between these two expressions. Пішли, it means like let's go on foot. And поїхали, it means let's go by means of vehicle. Yeah, but if you want to use more general expressions, like let's get it started, I usually say this expression before I start my video lesson, and I say поїхали. So it's better to say in more common ways just поїхали, guys. The next one is вітаю. Вітаю. Вітаю means hi, hello, but also it has meaning like congratulations. Вітаю. The next one is щасливої дороги. Щасливої дороги means have a good trip. Щасливої дороги. Have a good trip. The next one is прошу. Прошу. It means you're welcome. Or also it means excuse me. Прошу. The next one is що це? Що це? What is this? Що це? Я просто жартую. I'm just kidding. Я просто жартую. I'm just kidding. Okay, the next one is це терміново. It's urgent. Це терміново. Мені це не подобається. Мені це не подобається. I don't like it. Мені це не подобається. And the next tense expression is схоже на те. Схоже на те. It seems so. Схоже на те. So, before we continue, guys, I would like to offer you to take a trial lesson at my online Ukrainian language school Speak Ukrainian just for $1, and you will have a one-on-one online lesson with a professional Ukrainian teacher who is native and has a master's degree and PhD in philology. So take this opportunity. More details you can find to the description of this video. Бажаю гарно провести час. Бажаю гарно провести час means have a great time. Без сумнівів. No doubt about it. Без сумнівів. The next expression is вибач or вибачте if you want to sound more polite. За запізнення. Вибач or вибачте за запізнення. Sorry for being late. Із задоволенням. With pleasure. Із задоволенням. With pleasure. Можу розрахуватися кредитною карткою. Можу розрахуватися кредитною карткою. Can I pay with a credit card? Можу розрахуватися кредитною карткою. Можу обміняти це. Можу обміняти це. Can I exchange this? Спасибі. Це все. Or you can say дякую. Це все. We have two expressions that mean thank you. Спасибі and дякую. Спасибі. Це все. Thanks. That's it. Ось так. Let's continue. Зупиніть тут, будь ласка. Зупиніть тут, будь ласка. Stop here, please. You can use this expression especially if you use public transport in Ukraine. Маєте хвилинку? Have you got a minute? Маєте хвилинку? Я поспішаю. Я поспішаю. I'm in a hurry. Я поспішаю. The next two expressions are very similar in Ukrainian language and they sound as роби як знаєш. Роби як знаєш. It's up to you. Or вирішуй сам. Вирішуй сам. Also we can translate as it's up to you. Вирішуй сам, it means like you decide. Literally. And роби як знаєш, do as you know. Do as you want. These expressions we can translate as it's up to you, but they have a little bit slight differences. Okay, the next one is не зважай. Не зважай, never mind. Не зважай, never mind. Заспокойтеся, keep calm. Or calm down, так? Заспокойтеся. Заспокойтеся. And the last expression that we're going to learn with you today is на все добре. На все добре. It means all the best, so usually we use it when we want to say goodbye. Yeah? На все добре. All the best. Or when you write in a mail in Ukrainian language and you want to be polite, you can just write down this expression. На все добре. So guys, I want also to invite you to visit my Instagram account Speak Ukrainian Language, where I post so many useful 1-minute video lessons, and also I teach many useful expressions on my Instagram stories, and also you can talk to me on live stream there, so please check it out. And don't forget to check out my website speaky.com, where you can find so many useful Ukrainian learning materials like textbooks, flashcards, etc. So, побачимось скоро, see you soon and па-па!